this is Rambo, or sorry, this is Biscuit. This is Rambo. And I'm gonna try to make him look less abandoned just with some white matte paint. It's probably gonna look horrible because the paint doesn't match what's on here, but it is what it is. I should have brought a roller out here and just rolled it on here, but this is temporary. I have a plan to paint him green anyway, so this is just to make him look less abandoned in my apartment complex. Yep, so they won't think it's it's just a weird vehicle. So let's see here. This door is stuck. We gotta figure out how to get it open. And I don't want to get this door is stuck. I don't want to get inside because it's nasty as hell in here. I only got one part of the seat. Get the bolts out. It's really bad in here. Like, bugs live in here. I think I'm a bug bomb this place. I need to figure out how the locks work, so I'm gonna take this lock off and see what happens. Okay, finally got the door open. Had to pull the entire, oh my god, look at this. What the hell? Something is wrong with this. That's okay. It's all shitty.